Hello friends, many people they ask me, how do you record your video? Does anyone help you? So the answer is no, no one helps me. I do it alone. As you can see my left hand, it is empty and I use it for gesture, you know. While speaking sometime I use this hand because I feel that I feel more confident or I explain things more good way, but it doesn't define or it doesn't mean that if I don't use my hand I won't be able to explain the things. Nothing is like that. It's in my habit. Sometime I use it, sometime I don't, coming to my right hand, I use it for holding my selfie stand and I do it alone. I hope you got your answer. So this is the thing. Today I have decided to share with you people that how you can speak English language. People they say that I can't speak English language and they have been trying to speak, but the thing is that they have never ever tried for speaking. They have been trying for reading or they have been reading. They are good at reading and when they watch they understand, but coming to speaking, a lot of people they never try, but they just complain, that I can't speak English language. My friend, let me tell you one thing. Unless you try to speak this language, you can never ever become a fluent English speaker. So, first thing you should do, keep listening, or I would say that keep reading. That one you have been doing, I hope. If you have been not doing, then start listening, start reading. Other thing, start speaking also. No matter with whom, set time. At least for 5 minutes or 10 minutes and see whether you are able to speak something or not. And what you can do, take some small sentences and start speaking at least for 2 minutes or 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and then do it regularly. You will see that you will start speaking this language. Other thing you can do it, that start speaking with someone. It's very hard, easier said than done, that we cannot start speaking with someone very good way since from our beginning day. It's very difficult, but we can do it. See, the thing is that without trying for speaking, you can never ever become a fluent English speaker. Many of us, what we try, we listen, we watch videos and we read books, but we never ever try to speak this language, and that is why we are unable to speak. And others, what they do, they try also, but they are desperate to get the fluency. My friend, it's a language and a language needs time. Anyone can't learn this language overnight. Not only this language, any language. If we want to learn any language, we have to give a lot of time. So you may have been trying for a few months. Don't worry. Don't be disappointed. I was also not able to speak this language in few months very fluently. I used to stuck. I wasn't able to speak this language good way. I mean, I used to make a lot of mistakes. So mistake doesn't matter. Initially, when you are a beginner, don't care whether you are making mistakes or not. You just have to focus on speaking. Speak as many words or as many sentences you can. As a beginner, first of all, start with words. Speak words, then sentences, and then make story type of things. And then you will see that you will also start speaking this language. Many of us, we never try for speaking and we just say that, okay, I'm unable to do. Don't blame your sharp mind. We have sharp mind, I think. So don't blame your mind, because our mind is capable to learn any language. Learning a language is very small thing, Don't make it mountain. Don't make it a big thing. It's a language. Anyone can speak this language if they try. So it feels initially that we can never ever become a fluent English speaker, and it happens with English language. We think it's very difficult, and To some extent, it's really difficult to learn this language, but we are also human being. We can do it, right? So we are hardworking, and I hope you must be also hardworking, so you can do it. So the thing is that we always blame, and we feel sad, we feel disappointed, but we should try to learn from others that how they have been learning, and they are consistent for a long time. We start comparing with others that she can speak this language very good way, he can speak this language very good way, but I'm unable to speak. You are unable to speak this language good way because you may have started and it may have been just few days or few months only. My friend, I told you initially that it's a language and it takes a lot of time, So be ready to give a lot of time, have a lot of patience, not lot, but have patience for learning this language. See, in my case, I have given a lot of time, I didn't start speaking this language the day I tried. It didn't happen. I've been trying for a long time. As you can see my video, I think it is going to complete 2 years that I have been recording my video. Before that also, I started learning this language, Even I struggle, or I've been learning each and every day. I haven't stopped learning this language. So in your case, you may have just tried and it may have been just few months. Don't be disappointed. Don't get desperate. Desperate, it's okay, but don't get disappointed. So this is what I wanted to share with you, my friends. Actually, if you want to become a fluent English speaker, first of all, don't get shy. Start speaking, right, wrong, it doesn't matter, You can become a fluent English speaker if you start speaking this language, no matter right, wrong. Those who worry about these all things, they remain same, But if you are making a lot of mistakes, however you are trying, you are striving for getting fluency, one day you will definitely speak this language fluently and effortlessly. So if you want to speak this language, you should start speaking this language from today onwards. It's possible. If you don't have anyone, then you start speaking with yourself in front of your mobile camera, or maybe alone. And there are many apps are available. You can Google and find a lot of co-learners are there. Talk to them and your English will definitely improve. My friend, it's not one day task, I told you. Okay, it takes time, and we have to be aware. Otherwise, we don't enjoy the journey. We just think, okay, one day I'll become a fluent English speaker, then I'll be very, very happy. What if it is going to take 3 years? What if it is going to take 4 years? Will you be not happy? My friend, enjoy each and every day learning. Enjoy your progress, or enjoy your learning. Then the chances are you will learn this language fast way. So today, if I talk about the weather, it's so good. Actually, I am not bothered by weather. I like any kind of weather because the thing which is not in my hand, I don't get bothered so much. Just like weather, I cannot do anything if weather is not good, okay? So I just do my work. Actually, after a long time, for 2-3 days, we have been seeing the sun in the sky, and we are feeling more energized. But we are farmer, we need fog as well for our wheat crop. It is very, very helpful for us, either little bit rainfall or fog. So it used to be very foggy day before today. Even today also morning it was foggy day. I would say that fog was everywhere. Even dew drop was also falling from the trees. So this is the thing. I hope my video is little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then please like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.